Absolutely. Here's a long and detailed article about the Yamaha YZF R1, covering design, performance, features, technology, history, and more. Perfect for blog posts, websites, or motorcycle enthusiasts looking for an in-depth look. Yamaha YZF R1, the apex of superbikes. The Yamaha YZF R1 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A legacy, a product of Yamaha's relentless pursuit of excellence in engineering, design, and motorsports. Since its launch in 1998, the R1 has become one of the most respected and iconic leader-class superbikes in the world. Let's dive deep into what makes the R1 a legend. 1. A legacy of racing. The R1 was born out of Yamaha's racing DNA. Influenced heavily by its MotoGP prototype, the YZR-M1, the R1 is the brand's ultimate expression of racetrack engineering brought to the streets. Every generation of the R1 has introduced groundbreaking technology, each time raising the bar for performance motorcycles. 2. Engine and performance. Engine specs. Engine type: 998cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC, inline 4-cylinder. Crossplane crankshaft. Delivers smoother torque and better traction. Max power: approximately 200 PS at 13,500 revolutions per minute. Max torque: 112.4 Nm at 11,500 revolutions per minute. Transmission: 6-speed with quick shift system QSS. Fuel delivery: fuel injection with YCCT Yamaha chip-controlled throttle. The engine features titanium connecting rods, lightweight forged pistons, and high-compression combustion chambers, allowing it to rev freely while delivering brutal acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. 3. Advanced chassis and handling. Frame type: Delta box aluminum frame. Subframe: magnesium. Swing arm: aluminum asymmetrical design. Yamaha's Delta box frame offers a perfect balance of rigidity and flex, providing responsive handling and stability at extreme lean angles. Combined with a lightweight body and compact dimensions, the R1 delivers agile, confident handling whether you're on the track or street. 4. Race spec suspension. Front: 43mm KYB inverted telescopic forks, fully adjustable. Rear: KYB monoshock with linkage, fully adjustable. Both front and rear suspension components are derived from track experience, offering a wide range of adjustability for preload, rebound, and compression, making the R1 suitable for every kind of rider, from aggressive track day junkies to spirited weekend warriors. 5. Braking system. Front: dual 320mm hydraulic discs, 4-piston radial mount calipers. Rear: 220mm disc, single-piston caliper. System: cornering ABS and unified braking system. The braking system on the R1 is nothing short of superbike level. The combination of large discs, radial calipers, and intelligent ABS ensures that stopping is just as precise as acceleration. 6. Electronics and rider aids. The Yamaha R1 is one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles in the world, featuring 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit constantly measures lean, pitch, and yaw. TCS, traction control system. SCS, slide control system. LEAF, lift control wheelie control. LCS, launch control system. QSS, quick shift system up and down. Power modes, customizable ride modes. Cruise control, for longer rides. Cornering ABS, enhances safety while braking during lean angles. All of these are controlled via a full-color TFT display, giving the rider real-time data with a clean, race-inspired interface. 7. Aerodynamics and styling. The R1's bodywork is designed not only to look aggressive but also to optimize airflow and downforce. Aerodynamic fairings, integrated winglets, LED dual-eye headlights and tail lamp. Sleek, compact tail section. MotoGP-inspired color schemes. Everything about the design screams performance and purpose. From the sharp edges to the minimal tail, it's built to cut through the wind and command attention. 8. Exhaust system. The R1 features a titanium exhaust system, engineered for both power delivery and sound. With the signature crossplane growl, the R1's exhaust note is instantly recognizable and completely intoxicating. 9. Dimensions and practical specs. Seat height, 855 mm. Fuel tank capacity, 17 liters. Wet weight, 201 kg. Ground clearance, 130 mm. Despite being a superbike, the R1's ergonomics are surprisingly rider-friendly for short-track rides or highway sprints. However, it's definitely more focused on performance than comfort. 10. Special version. The Yamaha R1M. The R1M is the more advanced, premium version of the standard R1. Key upgrades include carbon fiber bodywork, Öhlins electronic racing suspension (ERS), GPS data logging via CCU communication control unit, special color scheme, Bridgestone RS11 racing tires. It's as close as you can get to a MotoGP bike for the street. Conclusion. Is the R1 worth it? If you're looking for class-leading technology, pure racing DNA, a thrilling ride, and a bike that makes your heart race every time you touch the throttle, then the Yamaha YZF R1 is more than just worth it, it's the dream. With its legendary name, fearsome performance, and MotoGP bloodline, the Yamaha R1 isn't just a motorcycle. It's an experience. Would you like this in PDF, blog post format, or need an audio-video version with visuals and narration?